Hi everyone, it's Sue, and you've been here for a while. You already know this about me. I love supporting the restaurants, home cooks, and food businesses that pour their heart into feeding our community. Food isn't just something we eat, it's culture, it's heritage, it's a memory and it's comfort, and it's one of the most beautiful ways people share love. I myself, a cook, has been cooking for the family for 25 years to 30 years, and I understand how it's like being a cook. You pour your love into the food that you create. I've always believed that when we support the people who cook for us, whether they are running a restaurant, a food truck, or a small home-based kitchen, we're supporting families, dreams, and tradition. And honestly, the food industry is one of the hardest working communities out there. They show up early, stay up late, keep our city vibrant with flavors from all over the world. Today I want to highlight a home catering business that's very close to my heart. It's called Rice and Spice, and it was started by my friend's husband, someone whose love for Malaysian and Indian cuisine has been part of his life since childhood. What I love most is that this just isn't a business, it's a heart-based calling, a purpose. His passion for the flavors he grew up with, the spices, the aroma, and the comfort dishes. All of that pulled him towards creating something meaningful for the community. And now Rice and Spice is rolling out their very first product, the Malaysian Karipap. If you have never had one, let me tell you, this is the kind of snack that makes you pause for a moment. It's one of the most popular snacks in Malaysia. People eat it for breakfast, for lunch, for snack, for dinner, any time of the day. If you can find a Karipap, you can have it anytime. It has this beautifully crispy pastry skin, and here it is made by hand. They make the skin, it's not frozen, it's homemade, handmade, and they have to roll it out, and that's why it's special. And inside of the pastry, you get a warm, savory filling of egg, chicken, potato, and all mixed up with delicious spices, the right kind of blend. It's comforting, it's flavorful, and it's perfect for breakfast, tea time, or honestly, anytime. It's almost like a Malaysian empanadas if you cannot picture it. It's perfect for office gatherings and any time, or maybe even a snack time with family. If you got a gathering coming up, maybe a brunch with friends, a potluck, or even a meeting at the office, these Karipaps make such a great addition. They were easy to serve, easy to eat, and they bring something unique, homemade, to the table. And if you're someone who loves bold, soulful flavors, Rice and Spice also offers goat curry, homemade artisan bread. Everything is made with intention, care, and with that home-cooked warmth you just can't replicate in a big kitchen. So if you want to support a home business that's growing from the heart, and you want to enjoy some incredible Malaysian and Indian flavors, give Rice and Spice a call, find out the details, and place an order and find out their whole menu. Because I only tried the Karipap. I'm going to order the goat curry soon, but let me tell you, I love the Karipap, and my whole family loves it. All your support helps this small business level up, gain followers, and keep sharing these beautiful dishes with our community. And please share this with your friends and family who love food, love culture, and love supporting local creators. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting local, and thank you for being part of this community with me. I'll see you in the next video. And if you'd like to share with me anyone that has a beautiful product, some delicious food, or restaurants that you think I should review, let me know in the comments below. I'll be sure to go and try it out. Thanks for now. Bye.